An investment has an installed cost of 5,27,630. The cash flows over the 4-year life of the investment are projected to be 2,12,200, 2,43,800, 2,03,500 and 1,67,410 respectively. If the discount rate is 0, what is NPV? If the discount rate is infinite, what is the NPV? At what discount rate the NPV just equals to 0? Sketch the NPV profile for this investment based on these calculations. At a 0 discount rate, the cash flows can be added together across time. So the NPV of the project at a 0% required return is NPV equal to minus 5,27,630, that is initial investment, plus the cash flows that we have received 2,12,200 plus 2,43,800 plus 2,03,500 plus 1,67,400. So NPV is equal to 2,99,280. This is the first requirement, that calculate the NPV at a 0 discount rate. The second requirement is, if the required return is infinite, future value cash flows have no values. Even if the cash flows in 1 year is 1 trillion at an infinite rate of interest, the value of this cash flow today is 0. So if the future cash flows have no value today, the NPV of the project is simply the cash flow today. So at an infinite interest rate, the NPV is minus 5,27,630. That's the second requirement. Calculate the net present value at an infinite interest rate. The interest rate that makes the NPV of project equal to is a IRR, and the equation of IRR of this project is 5,20,630, that is minus plus 2,12,200 divided by 1 plus IRR raised to power 1 plus 2,43,800 divided by 1 plus IRR and raised to power 2 plus 2,03,500 divided by 1 plus IRR and raised to power 3 plus 1,67,400 divided by 1 plus IRR and raised to power 4. At 15%, present value is 5,98,391.33, and at 20%, present value is 5,44,639.08. So this will be IL, that will be present value L, that is IH, and that is present value H, and present value actual is the initial investment. IRR is equal to IL plus IH minus IL into present value L minus present value actual divided by present value L minus present value. So by putting values 0.15 plus 0.2 minus 0.15 into 598 391.33 minus 5,27,630 and divided by 5,98,391.33 minus 5,44,639.08. 698.88, and by solving this our IRR is equal to 17.95%.